What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S20 or S20 Ultra to use it with any carrier. Today I have my phone and it's locked to AT&T in the United States, but I'm going to show you how to unlock your phone to use it with any carrier. I'm going to unlock it to use it with my Tmobile SIM card. After you unlock your phone, you will be able to use it with any carrier in any country. It is as simple as that. All you need to unlock your smartphone is a computer, your phone, and a SIM card. And we will do it together step by step using your computer, and that's all you need to unlock your phone. I have unlocked more than 100 phones using this method and it works perfectly. But I do have to mention a couple of things. This is a paid service, so we will have to pay something to unlock this phone. This is 100% safe, so there is no downsides. We are not going to be doing any kind of hacking. In fact, it is 100% legal and you can do it from home. Like I said, only using what you see right here. So with that said, let's begin. The first step is to get your phone's IMEI number. To get that, you simply dial *#06#. And as you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will show up in the screen. This is very, very important. We're gonna use only the first 15 digits. The next step is to switch to the computer. Keep this number on hand because we're gonna use it in a couple of seconds. Alright, so the first step is to go to the browser and go to the website unlockpanda.com. In this website, we will request the unlock code to unlock the Samsung Galaxy S20. So we just have to fill in the information about the phone that we want to unlock right here. We're gonna start by selecting the original carrier that this phone is locked to. In this case, my phone is locked to AT&T in the US. Then we will select the brand of the phone. We're gonna be unlocking a Samsung. And next, we're gonna select the exact model. So in this case, I'm gonna select Samsung Galaxy S20, but this method works for any other Samsung Galaxy model out there. As you can see here, you have two services. You have the economic service and the premium service. The difference is that one is faster and more expensive. The other one is a bit cheaper, but it takes it takes longer to request the unlock code. For this example, I'm gonna request the fast service and I'm gonna select the premium service. Next, you have to write down the IMEI number. That's the number we got a few seconds ago. Keep in mind that this number is very important. You have to write it down correctly here. Otherwise, you'll get a mistake or the unlock method will not work. So we're gonna scroll down. We're gonna enter the email where you want to receive your unlock code. So this is my personal email. And lastly, it's optional. You can insert your phone number in case you want to receive notifications on your phone. But I'm going to skip that for now. If you scroll down, you're going to see the average delivery time. In this case, is 1 to 7 business days. That's not including weekends. And you will also see the price. So the price and the delivery time will always vary depending on your phone's brand, carrier, and model. So in this case, I'm going to hit unlock now, and we're going to proceed to place the order. In this page, basically, it will explain how the unlock works. Basically, you will receive an unlock code in your email, and it is very safe. I have done this many times. So it is completely safe, but it's always good to be informed and read everything in this page. So anyways, I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna place my order, and I'm gonna be back once my order has been placed completely, and I'll show you what's the next step. So I'll see you in a few seconds. So after waiting a few days, you will get an email with your unlock code, and that's the email I'm going to show you right now. As you can see here, I got this email from Unlock Panda. It says your unlock code is ready. We're going to open it, and it says your code is ready. It includes instructions on how to enter the unlock code, and the most important part, the actual unlock code. So as you can see here, this code will only work for this specific phone because it's calculated for the IMEI number. So this code will only work one time for one specific phone. So right now I'm going to show you how to insert this code into the phone. So there are two methods. One is using the unlock app. So in most phones, you're going to have an unlock app somewhere here, and you just have to run it. It's called device unlock application, and connect to the Wi-Fi and your phone will be unlocked. However, if you did receive an unlock code in your email, I'm going to show you how to insert this unlock code into your phone. It is very simple. So we're going to start by powering off the phone. And once your phone is fully off, we're going to insert a SIM card. So for example, my phone is locked to AT&T. I'm going to use a SIM card from a different carrier. In this case, I'm going to use a SIM card from Tmobile. So I'm just going to insert it right here. and I'm gonna put it back into the phone and make sure you insert it correctly. And then we're gonna power on the phone. And it's gonna take a few seconds, and once your phone is fully on, it will detect that you have inserted a different SIM card and it will require an unlock code. And that's where we are gonna insert the unlock code that we just got in the email. Alright, so as you can see here, we're getting this message and it requesting the unlock code. So we're just gonna go ahead and insert the code right here. Keep in mind that if you get an error here, don't worry, just email them back and they're gonna get back to you with a different unlock code or with support to help fix this issue, so no worries. Alright, so now we're gonna hit unlock and the phone will be unlocked permanently. So let's try it. SIM network unlock successful. Perfect. The phone is now fully factory unlocked, and now this phone is fully compatible with any SIM card in any country. So if you can see right here, I have a full signal bar from my new carrier, and just to show you that the phone actually works, I'm gonna try making a call and we're gonna see if the phone connects. Everything is looking good.
Thank you for calling GoDaddy. Para español.
Perfect. Calls work. I'm just gonna go try to navigate, and let's just open Google. See if it works. Perfect. Everything works perfectly. You see data, phones, phone calls, everything works in this phone. It is fully running on my new SIM card. And it is as simple as that, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them on the comment section down below, and I'll try to answer all of your questions. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.